I'm pretty sure she's a little woody. A female woody.
Oh, it's just the weight stuck right there in between the trees. Surprisingly, it broke the neck. They're gonna hit about it with the boat.
Hurt her bad, not near as bad. I'm trying to grab her. Come on, sweetheart. I ain't gonna hurt you. Just calm down, baby. I think trust you. I got you. I got you. Let's get you figured out here. Little bitty crappie get up's got her through the tongue and everything, man. Let's keep these weights, I reckon. I don't know how she did that. Must have had a cricket or something on it.
Oh, here's the dangerous part.
She's tired. You gonna be alright? Oh yeah, you ready. How bad you hurt yourself. Alright, sweetheart, here we go.